Hey friends, if you wish to reset Microsoft Word to default settings, then please watch this video. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command percentage app data percentage and hit enter. Now here's the thing. Okay, we are here. Now go to Microsoft and then you can try and find Word here. Go to Word and you can simply delete all of this. Okay, as much as you can delete. That's it. Now, the reason I'm not able to delete this document is because this document is open right now. But if I was to close this document, I could have deleted it as well. So once you delete all of this and restart Microsoft Word, the settings will be at default. Why? Because the cache of Microsoft Word, the store of Microsoft Word is in that app data folder. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.